It was like watching a hunting hound speed after a deer, all proudly muscles and flowing strength. When Issa ran, it was like watching the deer flee, all easy grace and surprising speed. Kit, running, was like a milk cow lumbering out to pasture. Still, no one was expecting him. He made it to Round's body and to full.
Whoa! That accident was insane. But what's more insane is there are 16,400 accidents every day. That's 6 million car crashes every year. Here's a major tip if you're ever in a crash. Immediately check yourself for injuries before you move or exit the vehicle. A lot of times people assume they're okay when they're not. How do we know? We are Morgan & Morgan. We help people get compensated for these kinds of accidents all the time. We are America's largest injury law firm for a reason. Click on the link in the bio or go to forthepeople.com to get our help 24/7.
They hit the truck.
Clown.
No, I'm stop right here.
Say what?
Gotta make the call.
And personalities arriving in liquid form, like Wait, Wait, Don't Tell Me, Cabernet Sauvignon. The NPR Wine Club is a delicious way to support NPR's programming. If you're 21 or older, uncork your special offer at nprwineclub.org.
Oh! God damn it! Fuck! Son of a bitch! Sir! God damn it! In the country. Oh! Whoa! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Bro, this cannot just be happening.
You've got to give way, dickhead! Mate!
Source. Behind Lord Manthar, Lady Husky
I'm overtaking! You have to give way, you dickhead!
was now doubled over in a helpless flood of phlegmy chuckles.
You sped up and I've got it all on Dashcam!
My car now.
He's gonna hit us. No, stop!
It's okay. It's okay.
Yeah.
It's okay. It's my right there.
That was a little closer than 126 as they've gone under that banner. Oh, the passive crash there. What has happened? Right on the side of the road there. Look at this. I don't know what happened there. Maybe they clipped the crowd, but whatever has happened, they are in a right mess down there at the moment now. How many riders? Let's hope. That is a massive crash, Bob. It's completely... It was a Jumbo Visma rider. It wasn't Roglic, was it?
I think that was Tony
Because
Martin.
the whole...
That just went
It could
down.
have been Tony Martin. Yes, it could have been.
And he just hit the side of the road and lost the front wheel. You can see right on the...
It looked like pilot error.
Near the front. Watch him try to get around his teammate and go down. Oh, he might have clipped that...
Oh my God, watch out. Oh my God, that person's fucking dead. Oh my God.
Oh, motherfucker. Oh, God, him. I'm sorry.
Żyje?
Żyje.
Może, czekaj, może mu trzeba pomóc.
At Delta says, I forget what started, some study or other that was mostly a thought experiment was taken. Oh, really? I didn't even see the headlines about that. It's probably a while ago. I try to follow my dinosaur news really closely now that I stream on the regular. Yeah.
fucking hell?
Tonight, new video shows a wild crash in Fairfield. This happened yesterday on Holiday Lane. A man was riding a mini bike going the wrong direction, then ran a red light, slammed right into a car. CHP officer happened to be nearby and pulled over to help. The man on the bike is expected to be okay. It's unclear whether he'll be cited with anything.
Il travaille au péril de notre santé parce que nous manquons. La santé de la population est seule professionnelle en soins. Combien ça vaut? Message.
God, this.
Don't forget, hire Morgan & Morgan if you're in any type of accident. Reach us at forthepeople.com.
I'm happy that, you know, we're open to maybe going back.
Okay, it's okay, it's okay. We have the dash cam.
It's
The dial has gone past the E and is now facing down.
Jesus, dude.
Oh.
Oh, fuck. Why didn't you have your blinking lights on?
Dude.
What a fucking dumbass. That is so the cop's fault. Jesus.
That cop teed him hard.
Christ. Oh my.
Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck. You fucking. Fuck you!
Where the hell did you come from?
That's.